In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in an Acura TL key fob. This key fob was used on TLs from 2009 to 2014 and takes one CR2032 battery. Super easy to change your battery at home. You just need one of these batteries and a simple tool like a flathead screwdriver. I'll show you how to do it right now. First step is just to push this button to remove your internal key. You can just set that to the side and look right where the key came from, keyhole. There's a slot on the other side. That's how we're going to open it. You can take a coin or a flathead screwdriver, put it into that slot, and just gently twist like that. You'll see it start to separate. The two halves of the key fob will come apart, and you just twist and it pops open. Okay, now just use your flathead screwdriver or other tool to gently, carefully remove that battery, and it'll just fly out like that. Take a brand new one, CR2032, and make sure the positive side is face up. You just slide it in, click it into place, and reattach the two halves of the key fob. Super simple. And you can just check to make sure the light comes on right there. It means you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like or a comment. Thank you so much for watching.